these words are my own. Guess who's back in the house? Back in Manila. Kakagising ko lang. Ganda. Galing, kakagising ko lang. Okay. So, skincare tayo kasi matutulog ako ulit. Tatry kong matulog ulit. Pag-pray nyo ako na makatulog ako ulit. This jet lag is kicking my ass. Jet lag malali. Hindi pwedeng hindi matulog. Feeling ko kung mapapanood to ng nail tech ko bukas, ng nail tech ko, papagalitan ako nun. Bakit na naman ako nagpuyat? Baka makatulog na naman ako ng mag-oversleep na naman ako at hindi na naman ako makadating sa nail appointment ko. Ayan. Kasi lumabas kami ni Marina kanina. Tapos, nag-meeting kami tapos nag-mall. Tapos pagka-uwi ko, nakatulog ako agad kasi antok na antok ako sa car. Bakit gising pa ako? Kasi kakagising ko lang. Nakatulog ako kanina, nakauwi ako. Nakatulog ako kaninang umuwi kami 7:30 yata or 8 na. 8 p.m. actually. 8:30 yung nakatingin ako ng oras. Nakauwi ako ng 8:30 p.m. Siguro nakatulog ako ng 9. Tapos nagising ako ng 12:30-ish. Ayan. Tapos sabi ko kay Marina. Tapos nag-message si Marina. Sabi niya, hindi ko pala pwede sabihin yung message niya. Tapos sabi ko, kakagising ko lang, matutulog na ako ulit. Well, here we are. Instead na matulog, magsi-skincare muna ako. Yan. The first step of my skincare is washing my face. Okay. So how's the tour life? It was amazing. It was everything. I never expected it to be fun. I never expected it to be that fun. Hindi ko in-expect na sobrang may enjoy ko siya. Sobrang fun. Like, it didn't feel like work. Somehow, kasi we're going around places, we're performing, tapos the crowd is amazing. Every crowd in every city was amazing. Kaya, ang saya-saya namin every night. Next is my moisturizing serum, the hyaluronic acid. Hindi ko alam kung pwede itong pagsabayin, pero pinagsasabay ko siya. Hindi naman sensitive yung skin ko, so. And I need this because my skin has been so dry in the UK. Kasi sobrang lamig dyan. Well, sabi ng mga local friends ko, hindi daw sobrang lamig yun kasi ano daw yun, summer season na nila. Ayun. So, nasan ako ngayon? Nasa Manila na ako. I'm taking a time off. Actually, kahit naman we're time off, nag-work pa rin kami ni Marina. So, we're preparing the looks for DragCon, for the shows that she'll perform to here in Manila. The Lagrange show, yung mga Pride events and everything. We just had an alignment. And si Marina, she'll have her own vacation. She'll go to the islands with Baus. She was carrying her with me, pero I have to say no kasi ayoko na sumakay ng eroplano. Ayoko muna sumakay ng eroplano. Sabi ko kay Marina, Be, gusto ko yun kung sumama. Ayoko nang muna sumakay ng eroplano. Summer season pero man. Oo. Sobrang what the fuck. Pero maganda yung ganyan. Maganda naman yung ganyan for me kasi hindi sobrang init. So nakakapag-dress up ako, di ba? Tapos hindi nakakairita magtrabaho or kasi malamig. One of my favorite parts of touring is going to pit stops every single morning for breakfast. Like, well, nakakasawa yung M&S, pero they have good food, somehow. The sandwiches are nice. The apple juice, yun yung na-miss ko. I'll definitely miss having apple juice every morning. Kasi iba-ibang apple juice yung natitikman ko. Iba-ibang brand yung try ko. Y'all just saying, pero ang ganda mag-picture na. Yes, it's actually, I take pride on taking my friends' pictures nicely. Thank you, Anika. It was so nice meeting you. I remember you. Ikaw yung naka-Marina shirt, di ba? From... Saan mo nakuha yan? DragCon ba yan? Oo, DragCon yata yan. Yeah, DragCon. Favorite place mo po sa tour niyo sa UK? I would say London. London was the best. I'm sorry sa ibang cities, pero London showed up. Like, it was the best crowd first. Marina gave her 150% on that day. Like, because everyone was really so supportive. So, sobrang saya talaga na nung araw na yon. Every day Marina was giving her 100 sa mga performances, but that day everything was perfect. The lighting, the audio, the performances, Marina's performances. And can we talk about the support queens nung araw na yon? My God. Right? Si Labelle. Oh my God. And Flesh. Flesh ba pangalan niya? Yeah. Flesh. Yeah, her. They are so amazing. They were so amazing. They were so good. Si Flesh, oh my God, sobrang ganda niya. And si Labelle, that's mother. That's mother. Hi Lloyd Cruz. Hi Justin. Hi Kev. Oh my God, you remember me. Oo naman. Hinatihan ka ba naman? Oo, actually, Nix, ikaw ba yung nagbigay ng Skyflakes? Hinatian niya ako doon, tapos ang ginawa ko, pinatikim ko dun sa mga dancers. Kay Jamel. Pag-isaning ko na diba? Everything was so good. Every number, oh, that was the best. Actually, of all the shows that I have done with Marina, I think that was the best one and that's the most memorable. Yung friend mo yung nagbigay. Yeah. Skyflex with condensada. Nung tinikman ni Jamel, yung tinikman ng dancer, syempre taga-UK siya, tapos sabi niya, it's good. It could have been a little sweeter. Sabi niya. Random question lang po, paano niyo po kilala si Aura? Aura has been my friend. She still is. I used to dress her up when I was still with Team Ryuji Shimizu. Nainggit ka ba nung kasi wala akong Skyflakes? Haha, by the way, si Alipin. Medyo. Charot. Sabi ko diba sa stage, how about me? Nakakamiss kaya yung lasa ng Skyflakes. Kahit dito sa Philippines, hindi na ako kumakain ng Skyflakes. Tapos biglang makikita ko doon. Kasi the moment I knew I was going to show Marina, I would allow myself without wearing her t-shirt. Si Ali yun. Asa na yun? Okay, next step in my routine is before I use my moisturizer. Hi Justin. Yes, they are the cutest. They're sleeping right now. So I wouldn't be able to carry them, but they are the cutest. I miss them so much. I've been thinking about them every day when I was in London. But now here, North, would you like to say hi? Would you like to say hi to Justin? Oh. Here's North, the youngest. This is the sweetest of them all. Feeling ko sobrang sweet niya kasi hindi pa siya nakakapon. So, mabait na ako. Di na ako ini-stalk likes mo. Yan, na-curious tuloy ako sa mga pinagla-like ko sa Twitter. Yan, hindi siya umaalis. Dito lang siya. He is the cutest. Ito siya, baby pa siya dito. Like, 2 months old yata siya or 3 months old. Ngayon, ito na siya. He's a big boy. Big boy. Baby, say hi. Hi. She said, she's the youngest and she is the sweetest. Ayan. Tingnan mo, hinawakan kita. Nagsiskincare ako. I have to wash my hands again. Ay, muna. Atitimog naman tayo. Ayan. Cute naman. Hindi na naku-curious na tuloy ako every time nagla-like ako ng something sa ano. Kasi feeling ko makikita nyo. Huwag nyo na lang tignan. Ayun. So, next step in my skincare. Ang tagal ng skincare routine video na to ha. So, I like to spray a little Mario Badescu facial aloe spray. Because this one is really moisturizing. I like this one. So, ayun. Since kaya kami nakita ni Marina kanina is because she's going to the islands today. So, yeah. That's the day. To have her own little vacation and break. Tapos sinamahan ko siya to buy sunscreen, facial wash. Kasi nagustuhan niya yung facial wash ko. Right? Gusto niyo rin ba yung purple tsaka yung pink, yung rose water? Maganda din yung rose water eh. Pero ito yung favorite ko. Hi Lloydie, I missed you. Nasaan ka ngayon? Nasa work ka ba? Diba yung rose one? Kasi nag-breakout kami ni Marina. Pwede ka bang gawing kitchen for? Pwede naman. Kitiin mo kami ko. Nag-breakout kami ni Marina sa London kasi hindi kami masyado nakakapag-skincare dahil sobrang busy namin. So, hilamos lang. Tapos hindi na nag-moisturizer. Ang lamig-lamig. So, nag-dry yung skin and nag-break out. Kaya kung makikita niyo ako everyday sa tour nung nasa London, mayroon akong star patch dito. I have a star patch here everyday in the tour sa London kasi nakakairita yung single pimple. Also, I'm getting a haircut tomorrow, so don't mind the ugly hair. So, last step. Bagong bili lang to. I got this from Glossier sa Covent Garden. I got a new moisturizer. It was cute. Look. I got a new moisturizer. Meron pa akong isa. This one I got from MAC. Your skin looks so good. That isn't the best state, so it could have been better. Wait, wash ko lang yung hands ko kasi I touched some pussy. Magkwentuhan muna kayo dyan. Charot lang. Okay. Pati dito pala utos ka. Oo, utos pa. Di ako yan. Okay, so first time ko lang to itatry. Sana maganda siya. Ang sabi, Glossier Prime Moisturizer Rich. Luxurious Face Cream. Ang face cream daw na luxurious. Sana meron siyang spatula. Hi, Aja. Wala siyang spatula. Punyet. Charis! Nagalit. Wala siyang spatula. Ayoko siyang kamayin. Teka lang. Hanap ako ng something to put this on. Okay, so meron akong little spoon. Hala. Bakit hala? I have this little spoon. Ayan, kutsarain ko. I'll take it with this. Hindi kukutsarain ko talaga. Ayokong hawakan to. Naglag ako dun sa boss ba yun? Boss maldita sa kalam. Sino pa ba? Ibig lang ako. Tayo ng small amount. I think that's enough. Hi. Okay. She's thick. Wala siyang scent. Kayo kung ano-ano inuutos niyo sa akin. Don't forget the neck. Jeez. Okay. Tarantado kayo. Wala na pinagsasasabihin niyo. I have a message po sa inyo. Okay, I'll check it. JTP. It's good. It doesn't have a scent. So I like it. This one from MAC, it's good din. It's thicker. Tumbling ka mamaya para di ka makatulog. Gusto ko na nga matulog para magising ako before 9 a.m. Yeah. Marina has been the best person to tour with. Sobrang dali ng work namin kasi gagawan lang kami every night bago matulog. This is what I got from Glossier, yung moisturizer. Tapos I got Monica a moisturizer too. Priming moisturizer for oily skin. Huwag ka na matulog. Ba yan? Puro kayo utos. For my cats, they're so cute. Ayan o. Tapos sasabihin niyo, clear skin. Okay. So my skincare is done. Matutulog na ako. Tatry ko nang matulog. Makakapagpahinga naman kami. Good night, guys! Umuuna yan yung live. Bakit? Kailangan ko ng mag-sleep. Para hindi ako nagyawatin. Ito yung itsura ng drag con booth ni Marina. Napakita ko sa inyo. Nakita nyo? Ganda, no? Nakita nyo ba itsura ng drag con booth ni Marina sa YouTube? Yun yung itsura nun. Nakita nyo? Hindi nyo nakita? Mabagal kayo. These were the miles. Nakita ko. Si Tyson, alam niya yan. Nakita niya. Alam niya yung plano. Tanong niyo kay Tyson. Charing! Yeah, so, ginagawa ko na yung deck ng paano ito i-rotate? Ayan. Edit image. Yun. Rotate. Cancel. Delete. These are the miles. Nakita niya? Very good kung nakita niyo. Asan na ba yung drawing ko? Wala kayo nakita? Oh, sad. Ako yung classmate mo na mapakopyahin ka pero hindi naman pinakita yung sagot. Hi, Maya Pabeng. Ang matulog ba kayo? Charis! Nagalit. Sige na, matulog na tayo. Tama na to. Tama na, tama na. Okay, good night. Tutulog na ako kung tama na. Please, patulog.